Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create super gorgeous and super cute quilled Hello Kitty bracelet. You can gift it to little girl or even to your friends. It's super cute and I have created the matching earrings with this. I'm just loving it very much. So let's get started. First I'm starting with making the face. For this I'm taking 5 strips of white color 3mm and making one big tight coil. Just secure the end and this is done. Now to create ears I am taking half strip of white color 3mm and making one triangle shape. Similarly taking one more half strip and making another ear. Now just add little glue and connect both the ears. Then I am starting with making the bow. For this I am taking 1/8 strip of pink color. I have just cut my 3mm strip from center to make thin strip, and now I am making one heart shape. In the same way I have prepared one more, and then I am taking 1/8 strip of 3mm pink color and making one tight coil. Just pinch the tight coil a little bit, and then I am just adding the bow on top of the face. Like this. Then for the eyes I am taking very tiny black color strip, and for this I have again cut my 3mm strip from center to create the thin strip. Just make a tight coil. So eyes are ready. In the same way I have prepared one more eye. And for the nose I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color, and I have cut my yellow 3mm strip from center for thin strip. Now I'm just adding eyes and nose. Like this. Now to create tactile hairs of cat, I am taking my 3mm strip and dividing this in 3 equal parts. Now just cut one part and you will get 3 small strips. In the same way I am cutting one more time. So I am adding 3 hairs on left side and 3 hairs on right side. This is super tiny. And this is done, looking so cute. Now I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color 3mm and making one tight coil. In the same way I have prepared one more tight coil. Now I am attaching these tight coils using B6000 glue on both the sides, that is left and right sides. so that we can connect our bracelet using these tight coils. So it will work like a connector. Here I am using B6000 glue because we are wearing the bracelet and it should be strong enough. So that's why I am taking this glue. You can also use Fevibond or Fevikwik for this purpose. Now allow it to dry. Then I am starting with making the bow connector. So for this I am taking half strip of pink color 3 mm and making one heart shape. In the same way I have created one more heart shape, and then I am taking 1/4 strip of white color 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly taking one more 1/4 strip of white color and making one more tight coil. Then I am taking half strip of pink color 3 mm and making one big tight coil. And then I am assembling my bow. So for this also I am using B6000 glue. And the cute bow is ready. Now I have already added the chain and bow with the one side of the Hello Kitty, and now I'm showing you how to attach with other side. So first I'm taking one pearl and passing one head pin through this. Just cut the excess wire and twist it and make a loop using plier. Then I'm taking one jump ring, insert through this tight coil which we have added earlier. Then insert your pearl bead hanging and secure the jump ring. Then I'm taking one more jump ring, insert through this bow connector, then insert through the pearl and secure it. Then I am taking one more jump ring, attaching with the other side of bow connector, add one silver chain and secure the jump ring. And then at the end I am taking one more jump ring, connect your lobster lock and pass it through the other side of chain and just secure it, and this is done. In the same way I have added one jump ring on the end of other side to connect our bracelet, and it will look like this on your hand. Super cute. So bracelet is ready. Now to give little shine to this, I am adding this perfect glaze paper varnish. This is by Craft Gully. So I'm just adding few drops here and there. It will give you the sturdiness, protection from dust and humidity, and also it will give lots of shine to your final product. allow it to dry. Now I'm showing you how to create the earrings. So I have already prepared one Hello Kitty just like we created for the bracelet. Everything is same, all the measurements are same. Just I have added one 1/4 strip tight coil on the top instead of left and right sides so that we can pass hook through this. So it's very easy to make. Just take one jump ring, pass through the top tight coil, then connect the silver hook and just secure the jump ring. And cute earring is ready. I have already varnished it. So the cute Hello Kitty paper quilled bracelet and earrings are ready. If you want to make a matching necklace, so you just need to pass one chain through this tight coil and your pendant necklace is ready. And if you want to create as a keychain, just connect the keychain holder with this jump ring and your keychain is also ready. So in this way you can utilize this in different ways. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.